Okay guys, so you'll notice that we've got an extra tab just added up here. We've got a tab here for YouTube accounts, and we've got another tab here for accounts. Okay, this accounts tab is for your social accounts, and the reason I put this up here is so that we can add profiles according to niches. Okay, so if you want to do some specific niche profiles, you can manage them from in here. Okay, so for example, marketing, I might have a whole bunch of social accounts that are just around marketing, and this one here is news or politics. For example, you might have some social accounts just around that you want to use to drive traffic into niche websites or niche YouTube channels. Okay, this one, for example, football, again, I can do in different niches, and all we're doing here is when we're adding in the accounts that we're going to be using for Blogger, for Twitter, for Facebook, Reddit or Tumblr, then you will add these according to the niches that you want to save them under. Okay, so that when you're in this section here for your social videos or social playlists, okay, when we go to the accounts, what you can do is you can click on import, and then you can import according to the niche that you're working with. Okay, so you can just import, you know, if it's marketing in this situation, you would pull in just for marketing in the accounts that you've got here. Okay, just a little bit better management for us to be able to work with the software within different niches without getting confused.